In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Vagaro and leave a well-structured review for an esthetician. This simple guide will walk you through every step, ensuring you can share your experience with others. First things first, let's get you logged into Vagaro. Whether you prefer using a computer or you're on the go with your smartphone, you can access Vagaro effortlessly. If you're on a desktop, simply go to the website vagaro.com. Alternatively, if you have the Vagaro app installed on your phone or tablet, just open it up. Once you have the platform of your choice on your screen, enter your login details. This will be your email and password you previously set up. Now, if you haven't created an account yet, no worries. There should be an option for you to do so right there on the login page. Follow the prompts to create your account. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to finding that business or esthetician you want to review. The search function is your best friend here. Just type in the business name or the esthetician's profile name into the search bar. This will pull up a list of options. Click on the desired profile to access their main page. Here, you'll find details about their services, pricing, and you can also see past reviews from other clients. Once you're on their profile page, it's time to scroll down to the reviews section. As you scroll, keep an eye out for the option that says write a review or possibly leave feedback. It should be prominently displayed to make it easy for users like you to navigate. With the interface ready for your input, let's dive into crafting a comprehensive review. Start by giving a rating with stars, anywhere from 1 to 5, with 5 being the most satisfactory experience. Your review should then mention the specific service you received, such as hydrating facial plus LED therapy. Moving on to professionalism, this part is crucial for prospective clients. Mention aspects such as the punctuality of the service, the communication skills of the staff, and the overall cleanliness of the location. Reflect on your entire experience, discussing how you felt before, during, and even after the service. Were there any standout moments? Perhaps your skin was glowing or the redness was reduced significantly. Maybe the esthetician took the time to explain the products used and their benefits, adding to your comfort and understanding. Lastly, conclude with a recommendation. Think about who might benefit most from this service, such as clients with sensitive skin. This part can be particularly helpful for those trying to decide if they should book an appointment. Finally, after your review is complete, simply click the Submit button. Your insights and feedback will be shared on the esthetician's Vagaro page for everyone to see. Your experience might just help someone in their decision-making process. Thanks for tuning in to this tutorial and happy reviewing!